Welcome learners for the lecture 16 of a linear algebra. Today we discuss about the sum theorem and example to given to this value. Okay, let V and W be the vector spaces and let consider as a value 2 V2 W be the linear and invertible. Okay, then T to the inverse part V generated to the W is a linear form. Okay, let us go starting. Let Y1 Y2 is an elements of W and C is an elements of the function if you know that T is considered as a onto and 1 to 1. What is onto? Onto considering as a r to the power n to considering as a r to the power m. At least one of the part of the r to the power m is generated to the part that is a r to the power n. This is called as a 1 to, and what is this is called as a onto, and what is 1 to 1 vector form that will be generated to the function, that is if considering as a t is an elements of r to the power n to tends to r to the power m, it considering as a at most of this part will be generating to the form that is a r to the power m. At most of this part is generated to the r to the power n. This is called as a 1 to 1 vector form. Okay, there exists to the unique u vector x1 and x2 such that to position considering as a tx1 equals to y1 and tx2 equals to y2. Hence considering as a x1 equals to t generated this part, that is the inverse part t minus 1 y1, and x2 generated as a t minus 1 y2. So we generated t inverse c y1 plus y2 equals to generated t inverse c is a common, that is a tx1 plus tx2 generated to the form, and both of these condition t is a common, c generating as a cx1 plus x2 into the form. Okay, you know that cx1 plus x2 is generated, this part will be considering to the value that is a c t inverse 1 y1 plus t inverse y2 will be generated. Okay, this both of this considering to the solving to the how to linear and invertible of this form. Okay, let us go next theorem. Let V and W be the finite dimensional vector space over the same field, then V is the isomorphic to W if and only if dimension V equals to W will be generated to the part. Okay, means how to solve dimension V equals to dimension W. Suppose that V is a isomorphic to W, and that is T tends to consider V to W is a isomorphic from V to W by the lemma is proceeding to the form that is a dimension V equals to dimension W generated. Now suppose that dimension V equals to dimension W and beta is considering as a V1 V2 to Vn, gamma is considering as a W1 to Wn be the basis of this value generated as a V and W respectively. There exists two tends to V to W such that T is considering as a linear and TVI equals to WI generated. For value will be generating I to I for the value generated in position of this vector 1 to n using to this part, that is RT equals to span T beta equals to spam generated as a gamma equals to W, because T beta is generated as a gamma of this position. Hence considering as a T is a 1 2, and we have show that T is also 1 to 1 in the form. Hence it is a T isomorphic to generated to the form of this, means both of the solving to the condition that is on to and 1 to 1, they generated to the value of the isomorphism of this condition.